If YouTube TV isn't showing recommended videos on your home screen or in the library, it's usually caused by app glitches, watch history issues, or account settings. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close it on your smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or mobile device. Then reopen it to refresh recommendations. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can prevent the app from loading recommended videos. Step 3. Clear the app cache. Android TV or Fire Stick. Settings, Apps, YouTube TV, Clear Cache, Roku. Use the hidden cache reset. Home 5 times, up 1 time, rewind 2 times, fast forward 2 times. Apple TV or iPhone. Delete and reinstall the app. Step 4. Verify your watch history. YouTube TV uses watch history to generate recommendations. Make sure history is not paused under Settings, History and Privacy. Step 5. Update your YouTube TV app and device software. Outdated versions may fail to display recommendations correctly. Step 6. Restart your device after updates to ensure changes take effect. Recommendations should now appear on the home screen and library sections. Following these steps ensures YouTube TV provides relevant content suggestions tailored to your viewing habits. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.